few months ago, after winning the 460 Index at the Man Cup Finals, we caught up with Dystany in Virginia at Dominion Raceway as she starts her pursuit to become a NASCAR driver. One thing we can take from Dystany is her fearlessness to attack her goals and dreams. Like millions of us watching, Dystany is a blue-collar American that has worked hard for everything she has. And now she's combining her preparation with opportunity.
I'm right here with you on the radio. Let's get it up through the gears, nice and gentle. Just make sure the brakes feel good, steering feels good, no strange noises.
Family, as I've gotten to know Dystany over the last few months, one thing is for sure. Her drive is unquestionable. Dystany contacted Edwards Racing Enterprises to rent her own late model NASCAR. She then contacted Dominion Raceway to rent the track for a few hours in order to get her first test passes in that stock car.
There you go, feel it out. Give me some more speed when you can. There you go, see, you gotta drive that thing. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, pick it up right there, run me about half throttle. Let's roll. Get your RPMs up, work the brakes in. Good corner, good corner. Atta girl, keep doing what you're doing. You're looking good. Keep doing what you're doing. Nice and smooth. Alright, driving on down into 3 a little bit deeper here. There you go, good job. Time right there. I know you're getting more comfortable. That's all.
All right, family, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.